Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine and good, and welcome back to your next English class. This is your Nupur ma'am, and without delaying our time I will start today's class as I was teaching you last day this chapter. I hope you remember the fighter. I hope you can see the section 2 of chapter 2, right? So I hope you can understand. Let's see, again I will show you. This is your chapter 2 on your mark, right? And this is your section 2. Okay, the fighter I have already started, and there we got so many characters, right? Like Rahul, Imran, right? So many characters. The most important character Rahul and Imran, right? Okay, so I think you remember about the story, what was there, and the most important and most another important character Greg. Okay, about whom the argument was going on between Rahul and Imran. I hope you remember, right? Okay, so till here I continued in the last video when the score was 97 for 7 in 23 overs, right? So till it was happened, and after that I will start today, right? Okay, so listen to me very carefully. If there will be any problem to understand, definitely you can ask me in comment box. Okay, I will give you feedback, right? Okay, see, Imran was playing on a well-made 43. Okay, 2 overs later, after 2 over, Imran then at 49 drove the ball to mid-on and took off. Okay, Imran was playing on a well-made 43, right? And after 2 over, when Imran was in 49, then he drove the ball. Drove means driven, right? Drove the ball to the mid-on portion of the field and took off. In his hurry to reach the landmark of 50, he was very hurry to reach till 50 half century. I hope you can understand. It is 49 means he was in really very hurry that I have to complete my half century very first. So he was in hurry to reach to the point of that. He did not realize that the fielder at mid-on had dived. He couldn't realize that in the mid-on portion there is a fielder, and he just jumped. Okay, he just dived and brought off a great save, and he just took the ball. He just caught the ball. Rahul, realizing that the run was suicidal, okay, yelled. Rahul understood that the run was just like it's a finish time and he has to do something else. No, but by then Imran was halfway down the pitch. As he turned, it was saved. Okay, it was told that he just drove the ball, and that run was saved by a fielder. Okay, but by then Imran was halfway down the pitch. Okay, as it turned, the VHS wicketkeeper had whipped the bells off. See, it is written here, whip the bells off means struck the two small pieces of wood laid across the top of the stumps very quickly. Okay, whenever he turned, he saw that the VHS wicketkeeper had whipped the bells off. While walking back to the pavilion, he couldn't understand on that moment what happened. Okay, and on that moment, and just now he got that he is already out. Okay, while walking back to the pavilion means the first portion from where he came, pavilion, the main destination, Imran glared at Rahul, who simply shrugged. Okay, he just looked at Rahul. Rahul too followed Imran in the next over. Rahul had to follow the run score to the next over, and NPS team was bundled out for 123 in the 26th over. Okay, 26th over, in the 26th over they just make 123 run, and the team was bundled up means on that run, on that score, the match was finished till that. Okay, they couldn't make more score. Okay, during lunch Imran confronted Rahul. During the lunch time, Imran confronted Rahul. Listen, I know you are trying to spite me because of the argument we had yesterday. Listen, Imran said, listen, I know you are trying to spite me because yesterday we had an argument. But remember, it is a team which comes first. Rahul was shocked to listen this. Remember, it is a team which comes first. Rahul was totally shocked, surprised. He could not imagine Imran even thinking that he would get him out on purpose. He couldn't imagine that Imran even thinking that he would get him out on purpose. Okay, Rahul had a reason to feel hurt. Rahul just hurt, felt hurt. The whole school knew what a fighter Rahul was, but the whole school, all the school members knew that Rahul is a very good fighter. In fact, he was brilliant fielder. Okay, he was not hugely talented. He rarely sparkled in the field with huge scores or achieved sensational breakthroughs with his bowling. Okay, you just break this words and you can spell out sensational breakthroughs with his bowling. Okay, he was not a brilliant fielder. He was a brilliant fielder, but not hugely talented. Okay, for some time, in rare cases, he just make a good huge score or achieved a very good sensational moment with his bowling. Okay, but when the chips were down, he was everly ready to contribute his might either with a bat or with a ball in the field. Okay, he was a fighter in the true sense of the word. Okay, okay. Rahul was stung by Imran's remarks, but he did not react. But he didn't react anything. He shocked, but he didn't react. He decided that he would let his performance on the field do the talking. He just thought that he will show his performance on the field. He doesn't talk anything else. Okay. The VHS team started cautiously but was soon cruising along. Match started, okay, and they started very cautiously but soon cruising along at the halfway stage. At the halfway stage, middle portion of the match, they were 83 for 3. It was then that Venkat and Vishnu, the spin twins, both of them are spinner, right? Spin twins of NPS struck. Within 8 overs, they had the rival team reeling at 108 for 18-28 over. Already it is 28 overs past and 8 wickets already they have gone, and score was a 108, right? Okay. The VHS had to score 16 runs in 2 overs. Within 2 overs, they had to score 16 runs to win the match. Okay, with 2 wickets in hand, only 2 wickets are there. 10 players are there in a cricket team. The danger man James, you still remember James was the captain of this opposite cricket team, right? So was still at the crease on a stage of 34. This is his score on that moment, right? Rahul had not been brought on. Rahul never came there. Imran now gave him the ball without a word. Now Imran has given the ball to Rahul. Okay, his first 3 deliveries were bang on target and James could not put them away. First 3 deliveries were very good. James couldn't make any score. The home crowd cheered every such ball, and all the spectators, all the public were just making cheering. They're just cheering every such ball. Okay, go to the next page. Rahul now got a little overconfident. Rahul was little bit overconfident. Okay, he decided he could try to get James out. He decided that he will make James out. He bowled a Yorker. Yorker means, it is written here. See, it is one kind of ball. A ball that hits the ground around the batsman's feet. Okay. So he decided to make a Yorker. A ball which he bowled rarely, but always with great results. Okay, He rarely do it, but it will give a good result. James was an experienced player with a good temperament and powerful soldiers. But James was totally experienced player. He read the delivery perfectly and stepped out to host it over long on for a huge six. He understood the perfection of ball, the delivery of the ball, okay, and he just stepped out and he just struck a huge six. There was a hush in an entire stadium. The crowd was turned, all the public was turned. What is going on? Rahul's next ball was not a loose one, but James, inspired by the glorious six, stepped back and cracked it to the square leg boundary for a four. And now James was very crazy. Okay, the first ball before it, he just made six. Now he is inspired by the glorious six and stepped back again, and he cracked the ball again to the square leg boundary and make a four. On the last ball, James took a single and retained the strike. Okay, in the last ball, James just make a single and stayed in that strike. Okay, next, the NPS supporters could not believe this. Rahul had squandered all the good work done by the twins. Squandered means it is written wasted. Okay, Rahul has squandered means Rahul had wasted all the good work done by the twins and the rest of the team. In one over, he had given away 11 runs. In one over, he had given 11 runs. Okay, the equation now was clearly in favor of the VHS. Everyone understood that now the VHS means opposite team will win the match. 5 runs to get in the last over with 2 wickets in hand. Only there needs 5 runs to get in last over with 2 wickets in hand, and most important of all, James was on strike. Okay, so last 2 overs are there, only 5 runs needs. Okay, 5 runs need there. Rahul was shattered. He walked to his place in the square leg boundary, cursing himself for his overconfidence. Now he is thinking about himself that why should I failed overconfidence, and for me this situation happened in our team. He just realized that moment. Okay, Ranga, another player, the strike bowler of the NPS, was given the final over. Last final over, Ranga took. Okay, James played the first ball for a single. Manjit, whose skills with the bat were nothing great. Manjit is another player of the opposite team, and he doesn't know the batting properly. Okay, he could not score of the next 2. He couldn't make any score. The fourth ball, he managed to take a cheeky single. Cheeky single means took a single by a very risk, in a very risk portion. See here written also here, a run taken with risk. Okay, last in the fourth ball, he managed to take a single, means 1. The fifth delivery did not concede any runs. See, did not let the batsman score. Okay, fifth delivery also didn't give any chance to take any score. Now James had to score 3 runs of the last ball to clinch the Regal trophy of his team. Now only 3 runs should be there. James had to take 3 runs of the last ball, means only 1 ball is there, and in the last ball they need 3 runs to achieve the Regal trophy for his team, right? Okay, so I think till here there should not be any problem. If there will be any problem, definitely you can ask me in comment box. There is one more paragraph I will discuss on the next video, so wait for the next day, and till then keep watching my video, and thank you so much.